So here in Germany, we're uniquely positioned that we do some of the large forming press work in Obertshausen, CNC machining, but then we have the same equipment as well, big transfer presses in Ohrdruf, so we can be 100% compatible. And in addition to the forming and the machining in Ohrdruf, we also do nitriding, which is a heat treatment process to achieve the wear surfaces on some of the powertrain components we manufacture.
We installed short-time gas nitriding and plasma nitriding. This process is necessary on the parts to avoid wearness on the parts.
And the nitriding in Ohrdruf is also state-of-the-art. We have invested in new furnaces, new controls over the last 5-6 years, and we do thousands of parts a day in Ohrdruf. At Feintool, we make more than parts, we make commitments.